How to turn off any iPhone without touch screen. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone's touch screen is unresponsive, you can turn it off without using the screen by following these steps. This video is for iPhones with Face ID, that is iPhone X and later. So, go ahead and press and hold the side button and either volume button, that is up or down simultaneously. Keep holding until you see the slide to power off screen, and instead of using the touch screen, keep holding both buttons until the screen turns black. Release the buttons and your iPhone will turn off. So, this is how you can turn off any iPhone without touch screen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.